Ready to learn something cool today?
Totally. What are we talking about?
We're diving into how to generate passive income through different types of investments. It's a great way to build wealth without working all the time. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about stocks. Specifically, dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are shares in companies that pay you a portion of their earnings regularly, usually every month or every quarter. It's like getting a bonus just for holding on to your shares.
That sounds awesome. What's next?
Next, we have real estate. Investing in rental properties can provide a steady stream of income.
Do I have to buy a house?
Not necessarily. You can either buy properties directly or invest in real estate investment trusts, or REITs, which are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate. Another great option is bonds.
Bonds? Like James Bond?
Not quite. When you buy a bond, you're essentially lending money to a government or corporation, and in return, you receive regular interest payments. Bonds are generally considered safer than stocks, making them a good choice for conservative investors.
Got it. What else?
Don't forget about mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs.
What are those?
Mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, pool money from many investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets. They can provide regular income through dividends and interest. For those who are a bit more adventurous, there's options trading. Options trading involves buying and selling options contracts, which can generate income through premiums. However, it's important to note that options trading requires a good understanding of the market.
Sounds risky.
It can be. Options trading involves buying and selling options contracts, which can generate income through premiums. However, it's important to note that options trading requires a good understanding of the market.
I'll keep that in mind. Anything safer?
Yes, interest-bearing accounts like high-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit, CDs. These accounts pay you interest on your balance, providing a safe and steady income stream. So there you have it. A variety of investment options to help you generate passive income.
This is great. What should I do next?
Remember, it's important to do your own research. In order to do any of these things, you need a brokerage account that's best for you. I will talk about this in the next video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy investing!